All right, welcome my essential oil enthusiasts. My name is Caroline Lee. I'm a doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate. And today I'm using my two kits, one of which thinks that he's really silly right now. We have Olivia and Joseph, and it's summertime, and so we're always looking for fun things to do. So we thought we would upcycle some of our doTERRA items and make a bird feeder. So what you're going to need are, you're going to need some twine, okay? You're going to need your empty trim shake containers because you're actually going to use the lids from them as the base for your bird feeder. And then you're going to need your Life on Vitality bottles, and you're going to take the labels off and take the labels off so they'll look like this. Okay, we'll peel them off. And sometimes you'll get a little bit of lemon residue still left on there. So you can use your lemon oil to kind of get that sticky stuff off of there. Wait a few minutes and then scrub it off, and it should come right off nice and easy. You'll need a glue stick, or not a glue stick, a hot glue gun, as well as a drill. And then if you want to paint your bird feeder, you can do that as well. So we're going to paint ours after we show the demo, and then they can utilize that by putting seed in when it's dry. So we're going to start off with the very first thing, and that is we need to drill some holes into the container. So we're going to drill a hole in the top right here, and a hole in the bottom. And then we're also going to drill a hole here in the bottom right here. Okay, so I have my drill. I'm just going to move right over here. I'm going to move it over here so you guys can see. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I slide you over? Yeah. Okay, hold on. All right. So I have a little tray to pick up my drill things. And this is something that I'm going to do. I'm not going to let my kids do. Let's see if I can hold up my trusty drill here. And I'm just going to put a little hole in this, and hopefully it works. All right. So
there's the hole in the bottom.
As you can see, there is a, well, you can't really see, but there is a hole right there in the middle. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the top here.
Me too.
All right, ready, guys? Uh-oh, this one was too hard. Look, it totally broke a hole in here. A giant hole. All right. So I think what we're going to have to do is make sure that we get a smaller drill for this one. So we didn't have that happen, right? All right, let me do the other one for the bottom here.
Oh no! Please don't break it.
And then we'll get a new lid and redo that over. All right.
Hi. That's good. That one did good.
I don't think my dog likes the sound of the drill. All right, so we've got holes in our drill.
And Jojo's gonna go take the dog. You get the cat done?
Can you let Brownie out so she can stop doing that? All right, so now we have a hole in the bottom of our feeder right here. So see the hole?
See the hole in that one.
When we connect it, we're going to connect the two holes from the top and the bottom. So it's going to look like this. Okay?
Are you done drilling, Mom?
Nope, I'm not. So I'm going to do one example. Let's go ahead and do the holes on the sides. So we're also going to do holes on the sides. We're going to do one in each side. So we're going to see if we can get that done. So if my husband here, he would probably do this much faster and better than I am. So we're going to just see if we can do this. Okay.
Yeah, this isn't a really good idea.
You know what I'm going to do? you want to get me a screwdriver, and we're gonna Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer, and we'll hammer it that way. That way, it's a little bit easier. This we're discovering is a little more challenging when it rolls. So while they're gonna do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a second and get the rest of what we need. All right, welcome back, you guys. We had some discoveries that we want to share with you. So we changed out my drill and we did a smaller drill to drill the holes. And you can't really see this with the being dark, but I did do the holes. And then I took a screwdriver like this, a flat tips, or you can find a Phillips. And then I just kind of inserted it in the hole to kind of twirl it around to make the hole a little bit bigger. Now, depending on what kind of seeds you have, you want these to be big enough to allow the seeds to fall out so you can get it. So I'm just gonna wheel around here and get the last of this. So the holes are nice and big for this.
The seeds. And
we did do the smaller drill, and that saved the top of our jars. So do use your smaller bits, otherwise you're gonna go through a whole bunch of lids. So I have my holes, and we'll kind of pick off this stuff when we get it painted. But so you have your holes. I'm gonna show it right here. See, you can make them bigger if you need it, depending on what kind of seeds you have it. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna take some twine, and you're going to loop that through to here. Let me put should we get the top on? Mm-hmm. See if I can get this threaded in. Pull that up. Pull. Uh-oh, it didn't come all in. Put all of it. Sweetheart, it's not coming all coming. Hold on just a second. Let's make our hole in the top a little bit bigger. So our rope will go through.
But I need mine bigger.
You're bigger too? Okay, I'll get yours too. All right, let's get this placed in. Where's the scissors? Can you give me scissors and I can recut this end? Be a lot easier to do this. So now you get to see all the stuff we don't do, right? So you'll know when you do this how to do it. Get through the hole first. All right, I think it's all there. Pull. Okay, that's good right there. All right, so she pulled it all the way through, and it's nice like that. So what we're gonna do really quickly is we are going to hot glue that top part on it real quick. And then we'll help JoJo get his put together.
Why are we gonna hot glue it?
Because we don't want it to come off.
But we got someone get the seeds inside.
Oh, you're right. So we're not going to hot glue that. Maybe it's hot glue the bottom to the top. I don't remember what they said. They said something about a hot glue gun. That's right. We have to put the seeds in, and that lid is the way to do it. Mm-hmm. So thank you for catching me on that one. All right. So what we're going to do really quick on hers is we need to knot the bottom so that we have a knot at the bottom so it doesn't fall. Okay, can you hold your jar for me a minute?
Yes.
Like that, and then other hand on this. Okay, just hold those two. And knot this at the bottom. All right, so I got a nice big knot here at the bottom. Okay.
And make sure the knot does not come out.
Pull your thing on there. I'm actually gonna hot glue the bottom to the bottom of this. So
yeah.
Let me do that real quick.
Doesn't matter if the seeds get stuck in hot glue.
Pull it out.
They try to pick it.
Push that down.
And they get stuck to hot glue.
All right. We are almost done with this. What we're going to do after this is I'll let my kids paint this however they would like to do. And then we'll put some seeds in there. We'll have to find a good place to put it so the squirrels don't get to it and the birds do. What you can do at the very top once you've got your seeds in the container is get a little bit of wire to hook on the string so that the string stays nice and tight. And you're able to tie that around and put that in for your bird feeder. So seeds go in the top, they fall out of the holes into the little plate, and then the birds can come and get it. So with that, I'm gonna help JoJo with his, but thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully you can upsize a little bit better than I can upcycle. Take care, bye.
Bye.